Sorry I had to refilm this, but this is the Boxycharm September 2020. I just did a video, but it's taken forever to freaking load. So I'm gonna have to redo this. This is a Boxycharm Glam Vibes Only Variation 47. That's like outrageous, but okay. Okay, first of all, I got this Evening Glamour palette. Very nice. Shimmers, this is like a no makeup palette. It's really nice. You have to build it up. I tried like different shimmers. I tried on Midnight Twilight. I tried on this blush, that's Sundown blush. This Twilight color I packed on Eve and Sunset and a little bit of Dusk. And to make this eye look, very light on to go makeup palette. I got Phase Zero Trio face palette. This reminds me of Anastasia. And this is really nice, went on really nicely for, again, a makeup, no makeup look, very lightly. And then I got this Huda Beauty dual-ended eyeliner. So there's like the pencil crayon type. And then you twist this side and then it's a liquid. That, and I washed my hand off and it's still going strong, and it dries fairly quickly. And then the Kate Somerville exfoliator, and this is a 2-ounce, very little exfoliator. And then I got this Luna Magic Eyeshadow Brush Set, and this can be for highlighter, and I use these. They're kind of really flimsy, so if you're like traveling, these would be nice to store in this bag. I didn't get a chance to use that. I used this one. It was kind of too flimsy for packing that on, but it's good, you know, for the light days that you just want to smoke out the outer portion of your eye. Then these two were fine, just to put, you know, the rest of your eyeshadow on. They were good. Okay, I think that was it for the box, and this is $85. This eyeshadow palette, $26. Then again, you get blushes in here. This Phase Zero is $42. I would not spend $42 on that. This is $25. You see this brand at Sephora. And the brushes are $18 for this packaging. So it's $196. And for $25, that's pretty good. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.